this is Aisha of Event Decor Designs by Aisha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm super excited because I'm going to be decorating for a Minnie Mouse second birthday party. Yes, I am. My client reached out to me on Instagram. Well, she used the contact form through my website. My website is www.eventdecordesignsbyaisha.com. All right, so she reached out to me using my contact form on my website, and she's been following me on Instagram, and she reached out to me and pretty much told me what she wanted, and I told her that I was able to do it. So again, she wanted the Minnie Mouse theme, so I'm going to be decorating for that, and I'm super excited about it. The main thing that she wanted, she showed me, I told her to send me her vision. She sent me a picture of the balloon garland that she wanted. So it'll be a balloon garland that I'm decorating, as well as a backdrop. All right, so she said the colors that she wanted are pink, white, and gold. All right, so I went ahead and ordered all the balloons. All right, so let me show you the balloons that I purchased. All right, so she said she wanted the pink balloons, so I ordered different sizes in the balloons. These are the Sempertex brand balloons from Balloons Online, and these are the 11-inch balloons, as you can see right here. All right, and these are the pink ones. All right, she said she wanted white, so these are the white balloons, and it has a glare from the light, but hopefully you can see. These are the white, and I just got 2 packs. I want to make sure you get enough balloons because you don't want to start decorating for someone's event and run out of balloons. All right, so I made sure I got enough balloons for the event. All right, I also got the gold balloons that she wanted, and these are in the size of 9-inch. So like I said, it will be different sizes. All right, these are the metallic gold. And I got the 18-inch pink balloons also. So I got 18-inch, 9-inch, 11-inch balloons. All right, and she also told me to just add some things in, you know, what I felt was, you know, going to be cute and everything. So I asked her would she like some of these Minnie Mouse balloons. And it just says happy birthday, and it's super cute, as you see right here. All right. And I'm not sure of the size, but it says standard. And I also asked her would she like some of these polka dot balloons, because you know Minnie Mouse always have polka dots on, polka dots in her you know, when you see Minnie Mouse. All right, so I just decided to get the pink ones with the white polka dots, sheer curtain on the back. So I went ahead and purchased these beautiful pink sheer curtains that you see right here. And these came 2 in a pack from Efavormart. I absolutely love Efavormart curtains. I've ordered from them multiple times when it comes to my backdrops and everything. So these are the curtains that I will be using. All right, so that's pretty much everything. All right, y'all, so we are on our way to the event, and I have my helper and my twins back there. I have my helper, so we're about to go to the event to set up. And as you see, this is the event decorator's new clothing, a mask. This is a Let's Go mask that I did for my daughter's Let's Go glow in the dark party last year. So I will be wearing this. everyone. So we are completely done with our event. It's for, again, a 2-year-old. It's supposed to have been a drive-by birthday party where they was going to do it outside, but it is raining. Actually, there's a storm coming up here where I live, so she wanted to do it inside. So we went on the inside to decorate, and as you see, it turned out wonderful.